Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share my tag for the Year of Julie Nutting tags, hosted by Donna by Creativity, Sparkling Char, and Karen Small Crafting here on YouTube. And I'll have all their links down below if you're interested to join in this swap. So this type of swap, you make a tag with a Julie Nutting doll stamp. And each month there's a theme. Last month was Halloween. The month before that was fall. The month before that was 4th of July. And oh gosh, the month before that was, I think, summer. Yeah, I think it was summer. I don't have my notes here, which I should have. Oh, I do. I have it right here. It was summer, barbecue. September was fall. October was Halloween, and now November is Thanksgiving. December will be Christmas. Okay, so we create a tag a month before it's actually due. So I created with this doll this month, and I can't pronounce her name. So, but this is the doll I used. I used these two punches. This is a Stampin' Up! Punch that I won off of Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage. She's an independent demonstrator, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And she does drawings and not drawings, it's what is it, giveaways on her lives, so go check her out. I'll have her link down below as well. And this is just an EK Success Punch from my stash. I used this burlap and papers from the Dollar Tree, and so on. Okay, so the tag has to be, I think I already said that. Did I say that? I don't know. It has to be 3 3/4 by 9 1/4. And this is my tag. Okay, so let's start. Every time I do these videos, I always do the things that are on top instead of things on the bottom first. So I used chipboard from my stash. I covered it with this plaid paper from Authentique, which I love. I don't know if I can get more paper. I used the burlap and I cut it in half, and I laid it down on one side and the other one on the other side, because if I did it like this, it would have, kind of cover up the entire tag, and I didn't want that. I paper pieced her completely. I didn't color. Well, I did a little bit of coloring in her hair, but I did not color her. So I paper pieced her shoes and her pants and her shirt with the same pattern paper. I added this trim to, it looks to me as a shawl. That's why I did that. And I added some pearls to her hair because it looked like it was up in barrettes. I added things that mean to me for Thanksgiving. So I used this dies from AliExpress that I've been using a lot lately in cardstock. I added this heart bling to the word family. I have blessed. I'm blessed because of my family, and I'm so thankful for my family. So I was thinking, what else can I put on here that's not leaves? because I think I added leaves the last time to the fall one. So I was trying to be mindful of that. So I use these flower punches and I just kind of um, added it to the side here just to add some pretty interest. Added some flat back pearls and some bling to some of the um, flowers, and you know, it sparkles with the glitter paper that I used. So I really like how it all turned out, and then I added some ribbon. I used my We Are Memory Keeper eyelets for this one because it's like a more like a coppery brown eyelet. Um, so I really love how my tag turned out. I have so many projects that I have to do this week, and I was worried that I wouldn't get this done. Um, so this is my tag for the month of November. I hope my partner likes what I created, and I can't wait to get my tag. So thanks everybody for watching. If you're interested in joining in, I'll have Donna's link down below so you can go check out her channel with her email. So yeah, guys, have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.